Hey y'all, this is Dave with Da Bomb Smokes. I have got a gravy recipe that y'all are just gonna love. It's low salt, no sugar, and low fat. It's vegan and it's plant-based. So stay tuned. Now to make this recipe, we're going to use about 3 cups of cut up cauliflower, a few cashews, about enough to fit in the palm of your hand. You don't have to use them if you don't want to, if you're watching your fats. We have about 5 cloves of garlic. We have about 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast. We've got 3 limes that we're going to use for squeezing in the recipe. Natural sea salt, coarse pepper to taste, and then we have 2 cups of almond milk. Now we'll use the almond milk according to how thick or thin we want it. So let's get on with this. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we want to boil the cauliflower and the cashews and the garlic in this almond milk. So we're going to put all this in a pot, bring it to a boil, and let that boil for about 12 minutes. Okay, our cauliflower, cashew, and garlic mix is already boiled about, I don't know, 12, 13 minutes, and it's pretty tender. We're gonna, and almond milk, and we're gonna pour all that in there. In goes our nutritional yeast. We're gonna put in about 1/2 teaspoon of coarse ground pepper. If you like pepper, you can put more in. If you don't want salt, you don't have to put this in it, but I'm using natural sea salt, about 1/2 teaspoon. Like I say, you can alter the amounts according to your taste. All right, now we want to squeeze some lime. I've got 1.5 limes, but I'm only going to squeeze 1 to see how it tastes, and if it's not got enough lime for me, then I'll squeeze the rest of it. 1/2, and there's the other 1/2. Okay, now let's blend this up. Let's check it out. It's pretty creamy. Well, that tastes really good for me. Okay, I'm going to have my friend Sonia check out this sauce, this cheesy sauce, because she's the one that gave me the recipe. Alrighty. See what you think.
Oh boy.
Tell me what you think.
It smells very cheesy.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty.
Now I didn't put a lot of salt in it because I'm watching my salt, but it tastes just like what you made the other day.
Absolutely. I think you can't taste the cauliflower. I do not like cauliflower. You can't taste it.
I know, that's amazing, isn't it?
It's very creamy. It's just like a cheese sauce.
Okay, well we're going to make some vegetables and potatoes and smother it with that and have that for lunch today.
Love it.
You and me and Brenda.
Haha.
Okay, all right, let's do that. Well, y'all, this brings another cooking session to a close, and I want to thank y'all for stopping by and watching. I appreciate all of my supporters. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the red subscribe button down below. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. If you don't like the video, click the thumbs down button. It's all good. I want to thank y'all again for tuning in. And if you want to leave a comment, scroll all the way down to the bottom and leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Give me some ideas. And remember, don't take this day for granted, folks, because when it's gone, it's gone. God bless y'all.